Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look, as we are in a new month, to the Windows market share for the month of July 2018. So here's how it stands as of the 1st of August. Windows 10, 47.25%. Last month it was 46.76, so it's 0.5% more, which is a good increase. And I have the impression that Windows 10's market share is increasing faster in the past couple of months, and I would guess that it might even go faster than that as we slowly reach the deadline of Windows 7, which is January 14th, 2020. Windows 7 last month was at 39.65. It's now at 39.06, 0.5%, a little more. That means that a lot of the Windows 10 gains are probably Windows 7 loss, pretty much. Because if we look at the other numbers in here, pretty much unchanged. Everything is almost unchanged. Windows 8.1 was 7.68 last month. It's 7.56 now. So that's within the margin of error. Windows XP 2.9 last month, 2.88 now. Margin of error again. Windows 8 2.5 right now, 2.21 last month. That's weird because it's kind of a gain. I really doubt that there are more Windows 8 users. Some kind of, just the numbers are just moving around within the margin of error probably in here. And Vista at 0.63 was 0.65 last time. So you can't really say that it's a change. So Windows 10 progression continuing at 0.5% more, 47.25. I would guess that maybe by the end of the year it could be interesting to see if it reaches or has reached or gone over 50%. That would be an interesting number to watch. But I think Microsoft needs to be happy with that. They haven't released any other numbers. When they mentioned the 700 million magic number, they really didn't do anything more. And they said almost 700 million. I would guess it is now at 700 and maybe a little more by the speed at which it's actually increasing right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.